Sunday night.
Camp out.
Camp out. If it's nice out, who knows when I'm going to start working again.
Right.
And plus, it's not hot. It'll be cool. Well, you think it'd be too cool to camp out at night?
I think so. Well, tonight it certainly is.
Yep.
Yesterday would have been a good night to camp out.
No, it got
The
cold
rain?
last night.
And the rain?
But we can get our fire pit out of storage.
Oh, yeah, that's what it is.
You're gonna camp out with us, Lauren? You're gonna practice for your zombie camp out?
Then we'd have to do it on a Friday night.
Why?
Because Lauren works on a
I blow it. No, I blow it.
So she doesn't have to
That was a
drive
big
back
one.
to the campsite.
Look, a small. A small. A small.
I know,
A small.
Ow! You burned me with your marshmallow.
Sorry.
Okay.
Don't help me.
There's chocolate and stuff. Who wants chocolate? No s'mores?
We're not really s'mores. Dopeness
I'm not a
with perfection.
Come on, you don't want s'mores?
No, marshmallow's enough. Can you stop calling me s'mores?
No.
There's no sh in s'mores.
Yes, there is. It's the Jewish version.
Lauren?
I think I'm on his duty. I hate it. I hate s'mores night. This is what happened last s'mores night. Why is it
She
me?
always sit next to him.
He sits next to me. You could make the conscious decision to sit next to
Stop.
him.
Don't help
What, are
me.
you going to eat it?
Nope.
You just want to play with it?